Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Science. This looks like magic, but it's actually just refraction. The beakers only become visible as they're lifted out of the oil because the glass and oil bend light in almost the exact same way.
This beaker of oil looks like it's empty, but look what's hidden inside. Another beaker of oil. And look what's inside this beaker. That's right, another beaker of oil. And look what's inside this beaker. That's right, another beaker of oil. And look what's inside this beaker. A tiny beaker of oil.
Ooh, that's nuts. It totally just opposes gravity. It's as hard as I can do it.
This guy used a laser to remove the rust from this coin. This guy made a super realistic lightsaber.
Okay, has swing noises.
I hope you get electrocuted.
Move that metal thing away from it. Move that metal thing away. Move it away. Yeah, move it away.
Oh!
One of my subscribers sent me this video of a Phacelophora. It's a type of jellyfish that's more commonly called a fried egg jellyfish due to its appearance. This guy wanted to use hydrogen peroxide against germs.
I've been letting this pond water marinate for about a week now just to try this out. As you can see, there's tons of living organisms. I added the hydrogen peroxide here and you can see the wave wash over all the cells and debris. But what really caught my attention was this little cell here to the right. The two bubbles inside the cell started expanding until the cell wall ripped and the cell pretty much exploded. Most living organisms contain an enzyme called catalase. This enzyme catalyzes the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide to rapidly form water and oxygen. So that means all these little bubbles you see forming around the slide are actually oxygen bubbles.
This guy turns mathematical equations into sounds.
Let's take a tour of the anatomy of the voice. This right here, all of that is the voice box. This tissue back here, all of that is the base of the tongue. The tongue is more than what you just see inside your mouth. This flap right here that looks like a second tongue, that's the epiglottis. Its job is to flip over the voice box to protect it when we swallow.
This guy managed to capture this stunning time-lapse of a blood moon lunar eclipse.
Putting Mentos in the Coke in the vegetable oil. Now watch what happens. It fizzes the inside.
This office conference room has glass that blocks out what is being shown on the TV screen from outside the room. The scientists made an experiment to show how a basic jet engine works by using a glass jar and alcohol. This camera has a lens that spins really fast to keep snow and rain off of it.
Today we're diving deep into one of the most extraordinary microphones I've had the privilege of getting my hands on, the Battle M1. The name comes from barometer microphone, designed with a single goal, to correctly respond to changes in atmospheric pressure all the way down to 0.1 Hertz so that you can hear things as if you were there.
This gives tugging at the heartstrings a whole other meaning.
I want to know how hard Bilal wood is, and put it to the ultimate test by trying to drill it through a piece of pine. Alright, so that didn't quite work out.
This is why you're not supposed to have any metal objects in the MRI room.
Even at 90.
I built a bird sound generator that can recreate the sound of any bird on the entire planet. For example,
this Hawaiian volcano erupted, spewing lava 1,500 feet into the air. This guy wanted to show how an autonomous robot sees the world.
For a robot, this station would be simply a long list of numbers. This LiDAR camera in my hand spins a laser, sending pulses in every direction and timing how long each one takes to return. Every reflection becomes a 3D point. Stack them together and you get a point cloud, a live map of the station's geometry, accurate to a few centimeters.
This is what happens when you put liquid nitrogen into gasoline. Scientists recently discovered how queen bees are chosen.
Any fertilized female egg can become one. But here's what scientists just figured out. It's not only what she eats, it's where she lives. This is what most of the hive looks like. But this is a specialized structure called a queen cell. We just learned that the actual wax it's made of is physically and chemically distinct from the rest of the hive. It's softer and contains specific compounds that help to turn on those queen hormones. Researchers found when they used regular wax to make the exact same shape, queen survival plummeted. Understanding this biology helps us support the continued existence of bees, which is a really good thing for us humans.
This company found a way to 3D print a steak made of plant-based resources. The objective is to make food that tastes and feels like meat without actually being meat. In case you didn't know, Jupiter has a lot of moons.
If I hold it like this and I let it go, what will happen? It will drop. Why? Gravity. Boring. We start spinning it. Ready? I drop it. Ah! And it stays.
No, what?
What's happening? What's happening? It's a gyroscope now. It is spinning and it is precessing like our planet Earth.
That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.